Hello, my friend. Janet Parks here, CEO and founder of Solutions for Sellers. We help online marketers just like you simplify the way that they post online so that they can show up and stand out in their business. Excited to hang out with you guys this evening. Hashtag live in the comments if you are catching this live. Or if you end up catching this on the replay, really curious to know who's catching this. So make sure to comment. Leave a comment here with the hashtag replay if you catch this later. I'm really excited to bring you guys this training because this is the season where things change, right? Some of our schedules have changed. Some teachers are getting out of school, right? Maybe enjoying the summer is the plan, right? Some of us are still working every day, right? And still keeping our business going. Some of us are taking a break because this is the J months, the very famous J months that we all know about that a lot of us tend to think business just seems to just slow down, right? So I wanted to bring you guys this training today because I wanted to give you guys some tips to allow you to grow your business, sustain your business, right? Without it really like slipping through the cracks and everything just kind of going haywire. Who's ever done that in the past where you're taking the summer off or you're taking a long period of time off from your business because you're trying to like enjoy the season, you're trying to get ready for vacations, you're trying to just do other things rather than just always so focused on your business, right? And then maybe we just kind of let things go through the cracks because what happens is when we do that, we come back and we kind of don't know where to start. Like, how do we restart our business? How do we get things going again? So I wanted to come to you guys with this training because I'm going to let you guys know I'm a leader in the business. I've been doing online marketing, online sales in the direct sales space since 2008. I feel as though I've got some great tips that I could share with y'all as someone who has kids who also wants to enjoy the summer and enjoy life, but also don't necessarily want my business to just completely just sink, right? So I'm going to give you guys some tips to that. Comment below, though, if you did watch today's training, if you tuned into tonight's posts, let me know what was one of your favorite takeaways or what was a takeaway that you got from tonight. I'm really curious to know if those posts were helpful as far as just helping you sustain your business and grow your business, still get those sales in, right, with simple strategies while also enjoying life, okay? So this live here, we're going to be talking about 3 tips to maximize your business during the summer while actually getting to enjoy your summer. As you can see, I'm in like workout clothes like every day because it is hot outside. It is a good, what's the weather like right now? 87 degrees out there in, I live in Florida. I live right outside of Tampa. And so we've been like riding bikes. We've been going to my friend's pool. We've been just really, really active outside and just enjoying some family time. We've got a vacation coming up very soon or a couple of vacations coming up. Comment below and let me know, what does your summer look like for you? Are you going to plan a vacation? Do you have some things coming up? Does this training come in as a great timing for you so that you can help yourself plan ahead so that your business is maintaining itself throughout the summer? If so, let me know in the comments. All right, so let's go ahead and get started, my friends. Excuse my appearance once again. We've just been like just all over the place. So let's start with 3 tips to boost your business or 3 tips to maximize your business during the summer. So number 1, I'm going to give you the very first tip and you might have seen it in the posts tonight. Okay. If you're wanting to enjoy your summer, you're wanting to enjoy time with your family, your friends, you've got vacations that are coming up, you're wanting to just enjoy life a little bit more. One thing that's really, really helpful is making sure that you're scheduling out your posts and your content. Okay. Now there are enough tools out there, and I'm sure that if you have done this in the past, maybe you already know this piece, but for those of you that like to take the J months off and like to take that time off and start relaxing, and maybe you stop your business for a period of time, I'm just gonna let you know it is so difficult. And you probably already know this for some of you guys that have done this in the past. It is so difficult to just get things rolling again. Okay. It's very important, even throughout the summer, to keep consistent on certain aspects of your business. Okay. And one thing that is very important is scheduling out events and posts. So if you have a VIP group, We all know when it comes to boosting engagement, consistency is everything, right? Showing up and being present is everything. Now, I'm not saying you have to be present from morning to night because that's no life, right? And I'm not saying you even have to work 68 hours a day, right? On your business. I certainly don't work 6 to 8 hours a day on my business. Absolutely not. I have kids, I have life, I have other things that I want to do with my time, right? I believe in a thing called balance, right? Some of us don't believe in it, but I truly believe in it. So it's very important to have things planned ahead. And anything that you can pre-plan and just schedule out, just take that time now to do so if you haven't already. I know we're already into June, right? We're a few days into June, but this is the best time right now, if you haven't, to go ahead and start planning out your content. So simple things for those of y'all that have VIP groups, plan your VIP group content for the month. I cannot tell you guys just how important it is to not post content or not plan your content on a daily basis. Your content should be planned out a month prior, okay? So by the time June 1st hits, your VIP group content is ready, it's just scheduled. It'll just post on its own. And it becomes so much more relieving when you have that content scheduled out and you don't have to worry about what you're going to post today, right? Your VIP group, these are your VIPs. These are people that opted into your brand, your business. And when you stop being consistent and you disappear, guess what happens? That trust factor, it starts to disappear. And guess what happens? That attention span, because best believe, just because you're taking a break during the summer from your business doesn't mean that people, your customers, are not going to be on social media. Heck yeah, they're going to be on social media. They're probably going to be on social media even more now, taking pictures of their vacations, right? Spending time hanging out with people and socializing, utilizing the platforms to just comment on things, right? Sharing their experiences of what they're spending their time doing during the summer. So you best believe you got to have that content ready to go. And if you don't have content tools, make sure to take a look at our Simply Sustainable Academy. Or our Sellers Boutique. We sell amazing VIP group content tools. We have done for you content. We have girls' night in events that you can host every week. We have VIP group templates for your entire month for your VIP group. And so for those of you that are in the Simply Sustainable Academy and you're using our content tools, make sure to comment below and share what you love most about your membership, because those content tools are amazing. Okay. There are tons of different ways that you can schedule out this content, but it's always good to just have at least your daily posts scheduled out. Okay. So make sure to plan ahead. Don't wait till the last minute. Even today, you can pick up a tool and just schedule it out and make your life so much easier. Okay. Now, number two, now this is really, really big. Even if you're not going to necessarily work on your business every single day, once again, I totally get that, right? I totally get that. I have kids. There are some days where we're spending the day at a friend's house swimming in their pool, or we're going to the park, or we're going to have a beach day, right? That doesn't mean that you don't ever plan for your income producing activities. It's one thing to plan out your content and schedule out ahead of time, right? Make sure you're keeping your people engaged and you're still showing up in that sense. It's another thing to just not have conversations with people, right? And that's really key, and it's really important to business building. So what I recommend for tip number 2 is to plan and host summer blitz and or power hours as a team. So for leaders out there, if you're wanting to take some more time off this summer, but you still want to make sure you're maintaining your business, schedule some good time together with your team. Get on a Zoom call for an hour, right? Every week, or an hour, maybe 2 days a week, right? Find what frequency that works best for you, but get on a call together and plan out a blitz, right? I would do this with I've done this with my team in the past as well, where we get on a call together. We have income producing activities that we're going to do for 60 minutes together. And it just helps to have that accountability when you're doing it with your team together, right? So if you're network marketing, do your power hours, send those happy birthday messages, follow up with your customers, follow up with with people that are on the fence about the business, right? Let them know how awesome it is to have a business during the summertime where people are taking a little bit more time off and they can make that extra income during the summer, right? Another awesome tip is for those of you that are in party businesses. If you're worried about not being able to host parties this summer, get on a blitz together as a team. Get some scripts ready, which, by the way, we have resources for that. Okay. Get some scripts together or use ours and get on a call with your team and bust out some messages. See if you can book some parties towards the end of June, beginning of July. That way you have some things going during your summer and you can maintain your business and still get in those sales during the summer while you're enjoying it. Okay. Again, this is so crucial for business, guys. We can't just post and expect our post to just bring us sales. It just doesn't work like that anymore, right? However, if you are wanting to spend time, even little increments of time during the summer, just to build your business and have those power hours, have those blitz where you can dedicate short periods of time to build your business, that is going to help you so much. It's all about initiating the conversations and then following through. Okay. So that's tip number 2. My last tip for you guys, like I said, I'm going to keep this kind of short today, but my last tip for you guys is tip number 3. Like I said, for those of you guys that are scheduling out your content, maybe you're going to be doing some summer blitz together, some power hours. For those of you that want to make sure that you're present with your VIP group, you're present with your audience, drop in and do some quick lives, right? Quick 5-minute value lives, or, drop into your stories. For those of you that are not utilizing stories, it's such a great way to tune in with your audience. Okay. As busy as I am, okay, like I said, we're out there enjoying summer. We're doing it. We've got activities going on, and I still have maintained my business. And if not, I grew my business, right? I recruited 5 people last month. I have somebody joining on Monday. I'm not spending all day on my business anyway, right? And I've done that in the past where I've spent all day on my business. But you can do these very just simple things that don't take so much time and still grow it, right? So being present is so, so important. So for your team, drop in and do a Team Tuesday live. Give them some value. Show them some awesome strategies to help them in their summer events, right? Drop a live on your Facebook profile. Say hello. Share some tips with your people, right? Give your audience some value content for them. Share a positive message or behind the scenes, a day in the life, right? Something to where you're showing that you are present. Okay. And then drop into your stories or even in your VIP groups, right? Share how you're using a product this summer. Even if it's not necessarily a product that you're selling, still show up. Okay. It's one thing to have graphics posted for you and pre-scheduled posts. That's great. But there's nothing better than having the person that you are following show up and actually talk to you. Okay. People need to relate to you. They need to connect with you. And if you're not giving that access to you, people are going to notice. Graphics, again, will only take you to a certain extent in your business. You got to show up. You got to show your face, right? Now, of course, we all have different kinds of businesses. Some of you guys don't like to show up on camera. I totally understand. However, these are just really helpful tips just to show that you're still there, right? Even if you're on the beach, do a quick live just showing you and your family on the beach, and then ask people what are they doing for their summer vacation. Again, it helps you connect with people. And when people feel like they're connected to you, they tend to stick around. A lot of times I'll show up in my stories and so many people that follow me that watch my stories, they know the names of my kids. They know, what they're into. Everybody was really impressed the last couple weeks because my 2-year-old, he knows all the planets. And so he'll recite them. And so just a ton of people just commenting and they'll reply to my stories and they'll say, oh my gosh, he's so smart. Allow people to connect with you, because if you are somebody that they remember, when fall comes back around and you're like really hypercharged and you're just kind of back to your normal routine, people are going to stick with you. They're going to remember you. They're going to want to continue coming back to you. Okay. So that's all I got for you guys. Those are my 3 tips to summarize your business and boost your sales and really just kind of get your summer going without having to spend all your time on your business. Okay. So I hope you guys found this helpful tonight. By the way, if you're looking for some awesome content tools so that you can easily schedule out your content for the summer and even on, if you're looking for party scripts, if you're looking for events that you can throw in your VIP group that are designed for VIP group events, if you're looking for story content, maybe you're posting on your personal profile and you're looking for something to kind of help you post to boost engagement and really just kind of gain that traction on your profile, make sure to take a look at our Simply Sustainable Academy membership. We're actually offering a free month right now. So make sure to comment below with free month in the comments and we'll send you a link with some information. That way you can join our content membership and you'll have all the content tools that you need for social media. Make sure that you simplify this for yourself, my friends. Like I said, it's one thing to just, to enjoy your summer and of course, enjoy family and enjoy these vacations, which of course we all deserve that, right? We all deserve that time away. However, it's another thing to let your business suffer because you've decided to disappear. You don't want to fully disappear. Keep your audience engaged, okay? And using awesome content that's engaging and designed to build those relationships really can make all the difference so that you can actually enjoy your summer without letting your business completely fall through the cracks. All right, my friends. Well, I hope you enjoyed this training tonight. #value in the comments if you found some value tonight. So enjoy your Sunday night. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, friends.